What is up, Fox family? I'm Dusty. This is Fox Dollar Homestead, and you're actually watching another episode of Tower Crane Tuesday. This one's going to be kind of crazy, but before I start, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, and yeah, let's get to it. Well, there you go. I started work at 3:30 this morning. I'm still here, and I have no idea what time it is, but I'm waiting for the finishers so I can fly down their whatever that thing is called, the push behind, the big fan things. And yeah, anyway, I got nothing but love, nothing but blessings for each one of you and all your families out there. And I hope you guys are doing amazing. And until next time, again, I'm Dusty. This is Fox Solar Homestead, and you're watching Tower Crane Tuesday. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.